word of the day, juxtapose. So basically, putting two things side by side to say, look at this mess, and now look at this glow up. Juxtapose is what you do when you place two things next to each other to highlight how different, or sometimes how surprisingly similar, they are. It means comparing by contrast, like putting your Monday morning face next to your Friday night face. Same person, wildly different energy. She juxtaposed her gym goals with her snack drawer and immediately chose the biscuits. Subscribe for your daily word fix, because sounding smart is cheaper than actually being smart.